Why is diversity important for anonymization? Imagine you have a big pile of data about people, like health records or financial info. When sharing this data, protecting privacy is a must. But how do you do that without losing all the useful details? That's where anonymization techniques come in. One of the key methods is called diversity. Let's start with the basics. In data privacy, k-anonymity is a common approach. It makes sure that each person's data can't be singled out because it looks like at least k-1 others. But there's a problem. If all those similar records share the same sensitive info, like a medical diagnosis, then knowing the group means knowing the sensitive detail. That's a privacy risk. Diversity steps in to fix this. It requires that within each group of records that look alike, there are at least different sensitive values. So even if someone knows which group a person belongs to, they can't be sure about the sensitive info because many different options exist. This makes it much harder for someone to figure out personal details, even with background knowledge. From a legal point of view, diversity helps organizations stay compliant with data protection laws like the General Data Protection Regulation. It reduces the chance of accidental disclosures or re-identification, which can lead to legal trouble. It also supports responsible data management throughout the data's life cycle, from collection to sharing and storage. Implementing diversity isn't always simple. It needs careful planning to identify which attributes are sensitive and to ensure enough diversity in those attributes. Sometimes, making data more private can mean losing some detail, which might limit how useful the data is for analysis. But balancing privacy and usefulness is essential, especially in fields like healthcare or finance. In real-world use, diversity is often applied to anonymize sensitive data like health records, financial transactions, or behavioral data. It helps keep personal information safe when datasets are shared for research or AI training. Without it, there's a higher risk that someone could re-identify individuals or uncover private info. To sum up, diversity is important because it strengthens privacy protections beyond what k-anonymity offers. It makes sure that within each group, sensitive attributes are diverse enough to prevent re-identification. This approach helps organizations comply with privacy laws and manage data responsibly, all while keeping the data useful for analysis.